Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today we are going to have a quick look at this Timex Cavatina. This is a very nice small ladies piece. As you can see, it has 18 millimeters across, so it has a very small case that does not include the crown. The watch is powered by a quartz movement and it is time only, so you do not have a date complication. All you need to do is to pull the crown to the last position, set the time, and you are done. You can push the crown and that is all. It is very easy to read. You have these Arabic numerals when it comes to the hour markers, the simple Timex logo, and also something really cool is that you have this extensible bracelet. So as you can see, a flexible, it is very easy to put on the wrist and take it out. Here you have a stainless steel back. You can also see the watch battery type that it has. So this is a very nice and classic Timex ladies piece. This is a great daily watch in case you were thinking about buying one. Now we also have a few vintage models exactly like this one on our website vintageradar.com, link in the description box below guys. We have thousands of vintage watches for sale, so make sure to check them out. And if you enjoy videos about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel guys. Give it a thumbs up, it really helps the channel grow. Leave a comment, let me know what kind of Timex you have, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.